Today, we're cutting through all the confusion and making it super simple. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to program your Weiser Powerbolt to Deadbolt like a pro. No tech headaches, just simple, straightforward instructions. Let's get started. All right, before we dive into the programming sequence, there are a couple of crucial things we need to get straight. Think of these as your pre-flight checklist. 1. The pre-programming checklist. First off, and this is super important for safety and successful programming, ensure your door is open and the lock is in the unlocked position. You don't want to accidentally lock yourself out, right? We're setting up new codes, not playing a prank. Next, you need your master code. This is like the admin password for your lock. If you haven't changed it from the factory settings, it's likely 000000. But if you've set one up already, make sure you know it. Write it down if you need to, but keep it somewhere secure. 2. Programming a new user code. Step by step. Okay, time to add that new code. Follow along closely. Step 1. Enter your master code. First, wake up your keypad if it's asleep, and then simply type in your master code. So, if yours is 0000, you type 0000. Step 2. Press the Weiser lock button. Right after entering your master code, press that trusty Weiser or lock button. This tells the lock, hey, I'm about to do some programming here. Step 3. Press the number 1. Now, to tell the lock you want to add a new user code, press the number 1 on the keypad. This is your command for Add New Code. Step 4. Press the Weiser or lock button again. Confirm that command by pressing the Weiser or lock button one more time. You're basically saying, yes, I really mean it. Let's add a new code. Step 5. Enter your new user code. This is where you get to pick your new code. It needs to be between 4 and 10 digits long. Make it something memorable for the person who'll be using it, but still secure. Don't use 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Step 6. Press the Weiser lock button to save. And for the grand finale, press that Weiser or lock button one last time to save your brand new code into the lock's memory. What you should hear now are 2 quick beeps. Those beautiful beeps are your confirmation that the code was successfully programmed. If you don't hear 2 beeps, or you hear a single long beep, it usually means something went wrong, and you'll want to restart the process. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. 3. Testing your new code. All right, you've programmed the code, you heard the beeps, but how do you know it actually works? We're going to test it, and this is another crucial step. With the door still open, let's pretend you're coming home. Enter the new user code. Type in that fresh 4 to 10 digit code you just programmed. Press the Weiser lock button. After entering the code, press the Weiser or lock button. If everything went perfectly, you should see and hear the Deadbolt extend and lock. This confirms your code is working. If it doesn't lock, go back and repeat the programming steps carefully. Sometimes a missed button press or an incorrect master code can throw things off. And there you have it! Programming a new user code on your Weiser Powerbolt to Deadbolt is actually pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Just remember that critical pre-check. Door open, lock unlocked, and have your master code handy. Then, it's just a few presses and you're all set. Now you can grant access to friends, family, or service providers without ever having to worry about physical keys again. Pretty cool, right?